Stop.
Okay.
Hi, this is Janet and Chris, and we're going to walk through how to replace the faceplates on an MI300X demo board. Chris is first unscrewing the long screws in the corners of each OAM. It's using a T16 bit with an extension. Next, he's going to remove the small screws that are around the handle. Now these are tiny screws. Again, there's 4 of them, so we'll remove each one of those. Now holding the handle, you can either hold it by the handle to lift off the top section, or you can also remove the entire OAM unit. Now you just flipped over that top section and using a Phillips screwdriver to unscrew the handle portion. Once the screws are unscrewed on the back side, you can flip it back over and the handle comes right off. Okay, the faceplate, then you can detach it from the plate underneath. You can then apply a new faceplate, just like that. Put the handle back into the middle of that section, and then you can, while holding that handle in place, you can flip it over in order to put those same 2 screws right back in. That's again using the Phillips screwdriver. Now once you've got that back in, you then take that entire top section and look for that notch in the corner. Align the notch with the notch that's in the OAM or the heatsink.
You can also see it on the other ones too,
yep.
Where the notch is.
So align that, slide it back down.
And this is why I take the longer screws out, is because I can pick this up, kind of shake it a little, because all the posts have to go into a hole, and it's kind of difficult if you don't take it out and do that. It's much easier to just do that.
Okay, then slide it back in on the board, and then you can, when done, put those long screws back in. Oh, first we got to do those tiny screws that go around the handle. So gonna put those back with the Phillips screwdriver. So the handle, as well as the tiny screws, use that Phillips screwdriver, while the long screws on each corner uses that T16 bit.
You have to push down on it, and you'll feel it. You'll feel it when it's in place. Like it'll go from loose to tight.
So they are spring-loaded screws. So again, you do have to push down in order to get them back onto the board, in order to screw them back in.
And there's no order to it.
There's no specific order, that's right.
Yep.
And then once you get one done, you just repeat for the others.